Guys, today we're doing a bike check. It's gonna be a quick little video. I'll try to upload it today. It's probably gonna be uploaded tomorrow, which is Saturday. We're just gonna be going over all my bikes, what kind of bike they are, and any specific special features they have. Thank you.
I be in the trenches with my day ones. We gon' grind, stay down till that day come. I'm only 14, trying to get my cake up. Diamonds on my wrist, you know it's frozen. All these people always told me that I'm chosen. Skirt off real fast in that foreign.
Oh, God.
My first bike is the bike I've had the longest in my set of bikes. Allie has my older bike. This is the Pitch, Specialized Pitch. I've had it for, I want to say, 4 years. There's nothing too special about it. The gearing and shifting's all good. I just got tuned up, so it can do almost anything. It's a good hardtail mountain bike. Nothing too special. Good cranks, new bottle cage, these grips. I think it's a 140 mil suspension fork. It looks like, I don't know what brand that is. And then I'm running 2.5 tires in the front and in the back. It has, I believe, 8 in the back, 3 in front. So that's a 24 speed bike. It's really solid. Hey guys, this is my next bike. It's a Kink 20-inch. This bike I've done the most to. I removed the brakes, so it's a brakeless bike. I was going to do a video on removing the brakes, but I have no clue where any of the brake stuff is, so not going to be doing that. These are 20-inch, I believe they are, I can't see because they're so dirty, but I think they're 2.2-inch. These cranks are, like, as you can tell, dirty, they're really scratched. Then I have chrome pegs up the front. I mainly use right. I don't know why I have both. I just do. Then we have back cranks. They're black to match the frame. It's like variety. And then we have I think it's a 1.2 foot chain. It might be a foot chain. This is titanium, I believe. No, it's definitely not titanium. But yeah, it's a really solid bike. It handles all the abuse I give it. I mean, I've crashed on this thing multiple times, and I mean, I have had a few bent things, but nothing I couldn't just bend back. I had to get my spokes tightened a couple of times from bending my front tire, but everything has stood up. This is like a 10 out of 10 would recommend bike, and it's probably my favorite bike next to the mountain. My next bike, it's a Kink 26-inch drifter. This I know is, I think, 1.5. The chain is like 1.5 feet. I'm not 100%. I got black back pegs so I could do stand-up pegsmans. The seat was shortened. These are spoke covers. I mean, I guess the spoke covers are all right. They were a pain to get on, but you know, they're all right. Then the cranks are standard cranks. These are yellow tires. I got them. Well, actually, it's a funny story. I was looking to get this bike, not this specific one, but a woman pre-ordered all this specific stuff on, and she ended up not getting it, so I ended up getting it with the yellow tires. I'm probably going to switch, because these are Nimbus tires. I want to switch to street tires. Probably not going to keep them yellow. I'm probably going to get them black. And these brakes are actually on. This bike, I only use street. I've never taken it to park. But I do have, like, jumps, as you might have seen in an older video. And this thing flies through jumps. It's a really solid bike. It's my newest bike. I get that it's going to be here for a really long time, because it's a really good street bike. I want to get aluminum pedals, because I just don't like the plastic ones for this bike. Plastic ones are okay for the 20-inch BMX, because I don't want to get, like, my leg stuck. But this, I think aluminum would be nice. They get a better grip on my shoes, especially since I always wear Vans. And yeah, this bike, the brakes aren't the best, but you know, You can still skirt if you really try. But yeah, this is a 26-inch Kinka Drifter. It's basically just a jacked up BMX bike. So yeah, guys, that was like my bike check. That was all the bikes I own, but we do have 2 bikes here. They're, I believe, the same model. That was my bike when I was super young. Now it's Allie's, who she's behind the camera. But all these bikes, they're like good. I'm super fortunate to have them. But I do get all my bikes repaired and everything at the Firehouse Bike Shop in Yardley. They are right across from the vault. They have a great selection of bikes. These, like, I had, while the other video was going out, this bike was in the shop for a while, getting tuned up. They got everything. Like, it looks completely different. No dirt, no nothing. And it was a really fast process. I got it back in like a week when it, like, should have taken a while because it was completely packed. But, yeah, if you want to get any of the bikes shown here, well, maybe not this one because this one was custom. But if you want to get any of the bikes, then just go to Firehouse, and thank you for watching.
Oh, baby, it's triple!